Okay, so you're probably going to have to turn the sound up on this. I'm talking as loud as I can, but this computer does not like sound for some recording sound for some reason. Anyway, point is, here we go. This website is called icons8.com. All right. So then I searched on rocket and I got this little rocket here. And then there was an option to look at 131 more, something like that. And I went down till I found one I liked, which is this one here. Let's start over. Let's find a different one we like. Okay. Oh, this is it. This is that one. So I want to go through the whole process here. So let's pick this one. Okay, so there it is. It up in the main screen. And also, I've logged into this. I don't know, it wouldn't let me do a rotation without logging in. And you see it's pointed in this goofy direction here. And I already set it to 45. So we're going to make it a 45. It cuts off the nose a little bit. You can actually reposition it if you think it'd be better. There's a size. Anyway, to make it easy, let's download this and see it's a free 64 by 64. And so we're going to download this and put it in this, in my 64, Rocket 64, okay? I see I've got half a dozen of them already. And what I want to do is open this in Open with Paint, because I want to do some adjustments. First thing I want to do, I'm going to select all, and I am going to right click in here and invert color. It has to be a white outline, okay? And then I'm going to resize it to pixels. I only need it to be 20 by 20 because the screen is so tiny. And say okay, and file, save as. I want it as a PNG. I'm going to rename it so it'll be easier for me to find. I'm going to rename it Rocket. I'm going to leave it Rocket 64, but I'm going to call it White, because I don't have any other name than that. And it's going to bark at me, and yes. And I'm going to close that. And I'm going to go over here to a different web page called Image2CPP. Okay. And this is the one I was working on before. I'm going to browse, and I'm going to find the one I just called White. And see, it's set to 20 by 20, background color. I don't know as though that'll make any difference. And see, we had the preview. It wasn't initially clicked horizontal. I clicked it horizontal to flip the direction. I'm going to flip it vertically also, because I want that little port to be facing up. Not like it's going to make any difference, but just y'all know the buttons are there. Leave everything else like it is. Binary, original size, and Arduino code, and blah, 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 blah. And this is the old one I did, but we're going to hit generate code, and it changed it to Rocket White. And I'm going to copy all this, and I'll show you in just a second where that is going to go, because I don't have it on this machine. So this is what I was trying to show you, is how to make this binary code for our little rocket. And I will be back in a moment if I can remember how to stop this.